Hello guys, welcome back to another Andriod Studio tutorial. So this is the same example that we used in the previous episode. So in the previous episode we already learned about how to add fragments at a runtime. So here we have three fragments. This is the home fragment. So if the user click button on the home fragment, it will open first fragment, and if the user click button on first fragment, it will open second fragment. So here we have three fragments, but here there is a problem. If the user click the back button, the application simply close. I will show you it again. Run the application again. So this is the home fragment. Now I move it to first fragment. So now here I am going to click the back button. Now the application is simply closed. This is because here we didn't put any fragment transaction to the backstack. So if you put the fragment transaction to the backstack, the Andriod system will stop the fragment instead of destroying it. So if you didn't put the fragment transaction into backstack, the Andriod system will destroy the fragments if you replace or remove it. So now here I am going to show you how to enable backward navigation through fragments using the backstack mechanism. So here the initial fragment is home fragment. So we add the home fragment from main activity. So from the home fragment we start the first fragment. So here we replace the home fragment with the first fragment. So here I am going to add this transaction to the backstack. So before commit the transaction, here I am going to add the transaction into backstack. Here is the method, add it to backstack. So here you need to specify a string that identify the transaction. You can simply pass null for it. So here we add the transaction to the backstack. So here from here you can user can navigate back to the home fragment. So now from the first fragment, user start the second fragment. Here also I am going to add the transaction into backstack. So from here, from second fragment, user can navigate back to the first fragment. So now we can test it. So now here the application available on this virtual device. Now I open first fragment. So now I can move it to the home fragment by simply click the back button. Now I am in first fragment. Now I am in second fragment. Now I can move back to first fragment by simply click the back button. Now I can move back to home fragment. So this is how we add fragment transaction to the backstack method for getting backward navigation through fragments. I hope you understand this concept. For getting more Andriod tutorial updates, please subscribe this channel now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.